Hello, today we are going to see how to install WordPress in your local host or in your PC in XAMPP. So both the methods are safe. So first we go to Google Chrome and over here we write WordPress. Once we write WordPress, this side will come wordpress.org. It is a free open source content management system. Anyone can use it without paying any fees. So you go to wordpress.org and over here you have to press get WordPress. You go over here and then over here you will see the latest version of the WordPress. Right now WordPress 5.4 is the latest version. You click over here and it starts downloading. I have already downloaded it and I've extracted it in my desktop. So the extracted version will look like this. So this is your file name of WordPress. So if any name you can give for your project, which is a domain, so I'll give Ultra Zap. And from here, after I copy the name, I copy the folder and I go inside my Zap from wherever my hosting space is there. So I'm using XAMPP, so I go here, I go into htdocs. For you, if you're doing it into the web hosting, it will be public HTML and you just paste it across. So once you paste it, it will start showing it. Unless it is not completed, do not proceed ahead. So once it is done, so we just check, yes, it is already there. So we go over here, like in XAMPP I'm using, or if you're using your domain, just write your domain name. And if you're putting into the directly public HTML, you do not need to write the folder name. It will automatically come. But if you have put the folder, so you have to write localhost and the folder name. And when I start it, so it will start loading it. It will take a bit of time. And your installation will pop up. So you can choose your language, whichever language you want to proceed the WordPress with. WordPress is a multi-language CMS, so a lot of languages is there. So you can do it in your native language as well. So default it is English, United States, and then I press continue. So it will ask you for the database name, username, password, and host. This, if you do not know, you can ask your system admin or the company which you are taking hosting from, and if you have a database plan with it. So we'll go over here. Right now, my database name I have created is test. My username is root. I do not have a password, and I'm doing it in my own machine. That's why the database host is localhost. And then I press submit. Over here you get this message. Alright Sparky, you made it through this part of installation. WordPress can now communicate with your database. So the next thing is you run the installation. Now you have to give your site name. So I'll give my site name. Then you give any username. I'll write it as admin. So it already gives you a password. If you want to use your own password, you can use it. So I'll just write a simple. So it tells it is a weak password. Normally we should not use weak password, but I'm doing it for a demo. So I'm using a weak password. So here you have to confirm use of weak password. And then below you have to write your email. So any email you can write, which is for your site you have created. And you press install WordPress. And then you have to wait it for it to proceed. And that's the way you install WordPress. Let me log in into my site and just check it. So whatever username I had given and whatever password I had given, I just enter it. Come over here. Now this is the dashboard of your WordPress and this is your site. So that means your WordPress is installed into your server. So now you can go, you can select your themes in appearance, go to themes, and over here these are the pre-selected themes, and or else you can search for many other themes which are free of cost. You do not have to pay for them. So any themes you want, you have to go, you have to install and you have to activate. In the next video, I'll show you how to make your own e-commerce site.